This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, okay, so basically Sonic Dash is a new subgroup, and Christina is the PM lead for this subgroup. So the goal for the Sonic Dash is to deliver the enterprise network performance to several critical cloud applications. This is an open forum, so we expect the hardware vendors and also the Sonic community members can contribute to this subgroup. So I think the Google Groups has been set up. If you guys want to join this, contribute to this project, welcome to join that subgroup. So maybe in the future, once Christina joined this meeting, we can have Christina to have more introduce on this subgroup project. Okay. So any question? This is by the way, this is the link for the Error Dash subproject.
Would we use the same community meetings for the Sonic Dash as well, or will they be separate subgroup meetings just for the Sonic Dash, please?
I think they will set up a subgroup meeting for the Dash. So for this time, I just want to promote this subgroup and this project to get awareness in the Sonic community. The original plan is Christina should introduce this project, but I think she may have some difficulty to join this meeting, so that's why I just briefly
she has joined.
This. Is joined. Hey, Christina. Hello.
Morning, Yangzhou.
Hey, Christina. Yeah, I just briefly used the Dash project. So if you want to say something, you can, take off.
Thank you. Thank you. I apologize. I didn't have GoToMeeting installed, so I had to install it real quick. No, hi, everybody. My name's Christina, and I'll be running the Azure Dash group and different subgroups as we move forward to explore the development of programmability on the NIC for our suppliers. So I've created a Sonic Dash Google group and a Sonic Dash test group. So just wanted to introduce myself and the project. I don't know if you've all seen the invitation on the description on LinkedIn from my manager, Gerald DeGrace. I can paste it in the chat window. Are there any questions around the project, or have you seen it before? No, okay, and I'll just paste it in the chat window then and stay online.
Okay, thank you, Christina.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, let's start the
Christina and Yanzhao. So we had created IPsec subgroup here in the Sonic side. So some of those use cases are more relevant to Dash, it appears. So, wanted to either check with you if we should move this subgroup to Dash or just discuss the items there in the Dash community whenever the meetings begin.
So definitely want to discuss that as a further feature in Dash. I believe that's on Gerald's roadmap. I don't know about moving it away from switching. I don't know if it'll be the same or different modules when we go from the switch to the NIC within Sonic, but I don't know if we want to move it away if we're going to use IPsec on the switching side, but we do have plans for it on the NIC side.
Sounds good.
Yanzhou, what do you think?
I think I need to do more homework on these areas. I do not take a.
Yeah, it's just encryption on the data path side, on the dash end of things, and I'm not familiar enough on the switching side.
Yeah, I can send more details there to both Yanzhao and Christina, and then we can discuss offline too. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
Great.
I think if this more relevant to the Dash, I think we definitely can have more discussion in the Dash subgroup. And if this one is more relevant to the Sonic, I think we need a dedicated session for the Dash in the Sonic community meeting. For today, we just trying to just a very brief introduction to this project to get awareness from everyone.
Oh, I think I just have one comment on this. I think, the reason that, we're also doing the Sonic Dash while doing the Sonic switches because, we believe there are a lot of common modules we can share, between the Sonic Dash and the Sonic community, right? So, a lot of features that we also need, both on Dash and Sonic. So I think, IPsec is probably one of the examples that, that we can really do some sharings between the Dash and the Sonic project, because they can share the control plan. Maybe the data plan is a little bit different, right? So, but I think there's a lot of common part to be shared.
Yes.
Among these two systems.
Thanks, Gohan.
Thank you.
Okay, if no more questions on the Dash, we will start the 2021-11 release discussion. Is there anyone from?
Yeah, I can add one more. Is usually how the subgroup works is the subgroup will meet separately, right, to focus on a special topic and then make fast progress iterations. Once it reaches the main milestone and HLD design agreement, it will come back to the main community to present to the board like member or partners in the community. So that's how does it work. Yeah.
Thanks, Shen.
Thanks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yanzhao, one quick question. Like, when is the subgroup planned to be held for Dash?
So I have the subgroup created, and we were initially going to discuss items over the group's email, and now it's turned out we want to have community meetings, and so I'm in the process of setting that up.
Okay. Sure.
So I'll probably have it done, maybe today or tomorrow, and I was planning to send to the Sonic Dash group and the Dash test subgroup. If you'd like it to come to the overarching Sonic project for joining, I could do that.
Sure, Krishna. I think at least for the first meeting, we can send it to overall Sonic group, and then subsequent meetings we can follow up in the Dash subgroup.
Is that okay with you, Yanzhao and Shen and Gohan?
That is fine. I think it's just for the audience, but it's still the subgroup meeting. That's totally fine. If you need let's say if you need the Sonic community meeting times for one time, I can definitely book the agenda for the Dash as well. That's totally fine.
Thanks. Okay. Appreciate the time, Yanzhao. Thank you.
Welcome. Thanks, Christina. So I'm not sure. Sorry.
Oh, I just said thank you.
Oh, okay. So anyone from the NVIDIA? So I think this one we do not have a HLD, but I want to know, what's the current status and the code PR. Is any code PR missed, or this one is the complete code PR list?
Yeah, but could you please clarify what feature you're talking about? looks like we see still
A zero
that
port? Is it system with zero port?
Zero port, correct.
okay, so for zero port, I'm not sure. So do you know any update for this one, maybe?
No, Vladimir. I think Drawer is on the call. Drawer?
Drawer is here.
Yes, please.
So can you give the update on the zero port?
Yes, the zero port PR, which actually means that it will support the system to raise up with no ports exist on the config.db. The PR, all the PR were merged into master, so it will be part of 2021-11.
You mean all the code PR has been merged or just the partial?
Yes, I can put in the chat, if there is a chat here, I can put the tracking, there is a tracking PR.
Oh, cool. That will be great.
Where is the chat? Let's see. Okay, I'm putting in the chat. There is one PR in the tracking PR that is not merged, but it's not related to the zero port, so it can be neglected. The green one, and all the rest are merged already to master.
Okay, so this PR is just for the tracking purpose. Cool. Let me take this one. Okay. I think we still have one code PR open.
Yes, but this is not related. We need to move it from this tracking PR because this one refers to a situation that you remove a port and you're not removing the buffer related to it. Actually, this PR cannot be merged for now because there is an issue with the LGTM test. We tried to re-trigger the test several times and it didn't help. There is some issue with the LGTM test that failed the checker on this PR.
Okay, so I think the plan will be you will remove this PR from the list and then mark this field as merged. Is that the plan?
Yes. We will remove this PR from the list and then we can close this PR since all the PRs merged into master.
Okay. Let me keep a note. Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The next one will be the MADR internal. This one is also from the NVIDIA. So do we have any updates?
Yeah. For this one, as it was last week, we already have PR. So we need someone to review this one. HLD is ready and PR as well with implementation. And you can see.
So basically, we need to have to review both the HLD or just the code PR. I think the HLD has been reviewed.
For HLD, we already presented it in community, and I saw there are some comments also in this PR, and it was answered by Vadim. So I believe it's okay. We don't have any new comments. So it would be good if someone can start reviewing code changes.
As per the comments here, it looks like Kumaresh from Intel has been reviewing. I see a comment there 14 days ago. So we can check back on that when it can be completed. But I guess the review is in progress.
Okay, thank you. You mean the code PR or the HRD? This one?
Probably it was for HLD, because for code PR, I
see.
haven't seen any feedback.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll inquire and get back on that.
Thank you.
Thank you. This one is the flex counter for ACL. Octidine is also a media feature.
Yes, this one actually done, and Bing was assigned as a reviewer, and I believe for design it was already reviewed. You just need to have approval from Bing, and it's here already. Here. It's approved, and all the PRs are provided, and I believe even for some of them review was already started.
Yeah, I think the HLD is passed. Someone reviewed the comments. Are we ready to merge this HLD?
I believe it's a question to Bing, but he was assigned as a reviewer, but he already approved, so I think yes.
Yeah, I think Bing already approved. So Guohan, can we just merge this HLD? Or you want to take further look?
Oh no, I think if Jing approved, that's okay. Yeah. Yeah, he can merge. Yeah, so.
Okay.
Okay, it's good. So should I ask Bing to merge it, or who should merge it?
Yeah, ask him to merge it.
Okay, we will do. Thank you.
Okay. How about the code PR? Is the review also done?
Review started by Bing as well. Some of the PRs were already approved, if I remember correctly. So currently it's in progress, and I will remind Bing to take a look at all the changes and approve.
Okay. Yeah, I think the things like we only have several days left in October, which is the deadline for us to close all the PRs. You know, we target to fork the branch in November. So the original plan is the November 1st. But per current situation, I think we may need several days buffer. That's fine, but we do not expect too long delay on this, the fork the branch. Otherwise, people will take a holiday, so this release will be in a very high risk. So that said, I'm still targeted to fork the branch early November. Okay. Okay, this one is. I think this one is still the same feature, but we have two HLD.
Yeah, it's part of a bigger feature which was called Echo improvements and refactoring. And same here, Bing is reviewer, and we'll remind about this one as well.
Who is so should we assign Bing as the reviewer as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is the event framework. This one is DAO's feature. So this one is delayed from the 2021 June release. So is anyone from DAO?
Yeah, this is Jeff here from Dell. I'll follow up with the developer on what they need. I don't have the current status on this, but I'll follow up on the status of the PR and the merge request.
So actually, Broadcom team also started reviewing the event framework for Dell on this one. So there should be some comments posting shortly.
Okay, we'll think that up.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. I think this one is delayed from the last release. So I do hope this one can be delivered in the 2021 release.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. This time.
It looks like from the PR, from the HLD PR, we're waiting for a merge. We don't have any open comments. But yeah, Adam, let us know what comments you have.
Let me check. Okay. But I think Liat is not approved yet. So we may firstly need approval from Liat.
Yeah,
No
I think that was the last message there from Bhavini. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay.
But Adam, you guys mentioned you had some comments too, right? Or is it just on the code PRs?
Actually, on the code PR, actually also the HR. I don't think there's much to be added on the HLD, but mainly on the code PR that we're reviewing right now.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, by the way, I didn't see the the code PR should be listed in this HLD PR. Can anyone to update?
Yeah, I'll ask Srinath to update the description with code PRs, or you can just add that comment too. So we'll follow up. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This one is the show text support. It's also from Dell team.
Yeah, this one I think we're also waiting for approval and merge. I had a few pings, I think, and didn't get really good responses to what else is needed.
Let me see. Okay, this is the code PR. So Guohan, do you know, should we add one more reviewer or you guys are okay? And this one should be Xihui, right?
And was this one also deferred out of the previous release? I think so.
Can
Correct.
someone
This
add
one
those PR status into the description?
Oh, you mean the code PR?
No, yeah, I think there were some other example at the status there, automatically reflect the PR status. Someone?
Let me.
Okay. With this though, are we getting eyes on these reviews, or is it just not being reviewed because you didn't follow the table, or or what?
No, I don't think the reason not review is because not follow the rule. I think maybe that the people didn't get pay attention yet. I think we need someone
Have we discussed this in the community?
Yeah, we have.
This
We've
one is
done the
from-
HLD presentation. Yeah.
Okay, maybe someone like Broadcom or Dell sign off on this one.
From the table, is there a reviewer? Yanzhao?
1 second, no. I think all the reviewer are from Microsoft. Who should?
So Broadcom, we're gonna take a look and sign off on this.
Okay.
So do you have any idea, Adam? So whom should I assign?
I don't have the alias of that person, but I will have the person actually reply on this one so that it will reflect it here.
Thank you. So this also including the code PR.
Yeah, we will also review the code PR.
Thank you. Okay. Let me give a note. Okay, next one is the SAG. The static is this one is the edge core teams contribution. So is that anyone from the edge core? See all the code PR are open. The HLD is reviewed. Let's see if anyone approved. I think no one approved this feature yet. Do we still have any more questions on this one, or we are ready to merge, approve and merge this HLD? I think the Dell, Intel, and Broadcom are registered reviewer.
I think the review was completed. I will ask to complete the approval and should be done soon.
Okay, so yeah, I think you just mean the HLD PR, not the code PR, or both.
This is for the HLDPR. Code, I think we'll still have to go through it.
Okay.
Do we know that? Do we know these folks will add a sonic management test? Because I don't see the test in the description.
You mean the test for this HLD or for the code PR?
Yeah, no test. Shouldn't they list all this code PR, right? So you should also list the test PR. Or is the test in preparation?
Test PR is not. Okay. Let me keep a note. Okay. Any other question? If no more, I will move on. Run config command. This one is also from the Edge core, so keep a note. I think this one is the dial brown comma, the register reviewer, so I don't see any approval yet. Is the code PR. Okay, I think this one has been reviewed. So okay, let's move on. Oh, dynamic port breakout. This one is deferred from the 2021 June release. So I think this one is owned by LinkedIn. Is anyone from the LinkedIn? I'm not sure which, where is the code PR. So this HRD has been merged, I think. Is Zhenggen in today's meeting? No, okay, I will keep a note. Subgroup. Okay. Layer 2 forwarding enhancement. This one is also deferred from the 2021 June release.
Yeah. Yeah. So from Broadcom team, we still need to work on to split out some of the code PR. As there are a couple of changes actually we went through. We need to readdress some of these. Basically, we're expecting some code PR changes in the next few days. And also, we
this
gotta
is the,
also we're gonna update the format so that we can have the tracking.
Okay.
I'll send a reminder to the submitter again to make sure that this is showing in the conversation here.
Okay, thank you. Next one is the storm control. So this one, so Adam is also from the.
Yeah, same. Again, I mean, this one I have sent a reminder to submitter to put up a tracking, and I believe there are some comments that he needs to address. So I'll remind the person again to make sure that it's taken care.
Okay.
And for the code PR, there are some refresh that needs to happen on this one because it has some underlying changes that needs to be updated. So that would have to be refreshed in the next few days.
So which one is the code PR? I'm not sure.
Yeah, let me give you that. Hang on.
Yeah, I think maybe if they can update the code PR with the template,
Yeah,
that
I know.
would be great.
So in fact, there are 3 code PR for the storm control. One in switch SS, there's a switch SS common and also a sonic utility. Among the 3 of them, one of them is already merged. The switch SS common is already merged, the 346. For switch SS 1306 and sonic utility 928, these 2 guys need some refresh.
Okay, let me leave a comments.
Again, I mean, we're gonna put the tracking up there so that it can reflect in the first page.
Sure, yeah, thank you. Okay. Yes. Okay, next one, PD. Oh, this one is also from Broadcom. So Adam, do you have any info on this one? Code PR. Is this fit
This is a defer. I mean, this is a deferral from the past. No, I don't have an update on this one. Let me check and get back to you. I'll send you an email.
Okay. From my side, I think this one is the record. This one may be the is this the HLD or code PR? Oh, this one should be the code PR. Yeah, you can double check. Maybe this one is done.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll update you. Actually, so this is the one that from 2106, right?
Yes, this one is different.
It might have been fully merged already, but again, let me check and confirm. I'll get back to you.
Yeah, that's my guess. I think this one is maybe done. So you can double check. Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is routine sub-interface.
Yeah, so let's see. So on the HLD, we already have a review approved by Dell. Can this one be merged on the HLD? I've sent a reminder to Prince Sunny and I haven't got a response yet. So who can get this merged?
Yeah, Adam, I
Nice.
got your email. This is Prince here, so I'll try to finish it this week on the HLD. But
Okay.
I think on the code, we have some comments on the placement of the code because this is SWSS specific and we got the code in the SWSS common. So I'll provide feedback on that.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you. Next one is the initial support of CM. Yes. This one is also from Broadcom.
Yeah. So we have received some review comments and we respond to them already. At this point in time, we just need a review approved on this so that we can merge HLD. And then for actually, yeah, sorry, Yansao, can you go back to the last one again? I have one I have one, no, the last feature, the router sub interface. Yeah, this one. So okay, so the HRD we got a review approved. I'm waiting for Prince to check out and merge. On switch SS common, I have got a review approved. If you actually go, can you click there? And I need somebody to merge this one.
So Prince can help.
Yeah, I think this is what I mentioned.
Take a look at, right? So Prince will look at that.
Okay. All right, thanks. And the other co-PR, yeah, please also help take a look so we can get the review comments for the other ones for the router sub interface. Go back to the Simish. So Simish, we have received some comments and also we have responded to them. I need approval to merge on this.
This one, I think I received several feedback from the community. I think it seems not aligned with the community direction. Yeah. So unless so therefore I think we do not believe it's a good idea to merge those this one, because it puts our community a lot of efforts to maintain a separate implementation. Yeah. So
I think we discussed that a little bit during the call, right? And is there, okay, so I think one of the comments is about the SFP refactoring, that you want to have some of these updates to be seen in these feature. I mean, how do you? Okay, so do you see a way forward that we can at least align better so to make it happen?
Yeah, align with that. There has been refactoring, right? So then we're adding some semis supporting that refactoring code. I think there were some features that you guys did that is not in that implementation. Please enhance that implementation.
Okay, I saw Babu is here. Babu, do you have any other comments on this one? Okay, let me circle back with some meters and update this.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay. Next one, system ready. So, Adam. I think this one also comes from the protocol. Why this one is still not merged? OPR. Hey Adam, are you still there? Hello?
Hey, sorry, I lost audio. Yeah. So we're looking at the system ready, and so we have received comments on XRD. We also respond to this. At this point, we're waiting for a review, approve, and merge.
So comment has been addressed. Okay.
And then from Dell team, I mean, they are doing a final look. I mean, they're doing another pass on this one, and then if everything's good for them, then they will mark for approval. And I just want to make sure if there's any other comments from community, please submit, and then we can go through. We can complete this.
Okay, I think. Okay. How about the code PR? Is the code PR is also ready to merge?
So Dell teams are reviewing them.
Oh, okay.
Hey, is NVIDIA team also involved in the reviewing this one? I saw the Shudaxin
No,
have some comments on the pull request.
Oh yeah, I see. Station is one reviewer.
Requested some changes. Yeah.
There's a new table called for this post. Okay. Okay. I think Melanox, a few questions. Cool. Yeah. MPLS. Oh, this one is the last feature in the 2021 11 release from Juniper. So is anyone from Juniper in this meeting? Merge, and review. Okay, cool. Let me check. Oh, this one I think is also merged. Yeah. Oh, I think we only have this one left, the test case. So should we merge this HLD PR? Other question. Or we are still waiting for some further updates for this HLD?
All the code PRs were reviewed earlier in subgroup meetings for MPLS, and the reviews were provided by Intel as well. If there is any review pending, we'll double check and complete that.
I think only this one. So the other one has been merged. This one is not merged yet, the test case. So this one is this one is closed. Merged. Yeah, I think all the others are merged. But we need someone to approve and merge this HLD PR. I think the HLD PR is fine. Or we want to keep this HLD open to address, it's a live document. Okay, let me leave the comments.
many about the test. So they are the test. I think maybe we can wait for Rita and she can prove it. Yes, merging.
Okay. Okay, I think that's all for today's meeting. We went through all the 2021-11 release features, which is good. I think the next major step is we need the teams have to finish the code review and all the code part.
Hi,
Sorry,
Enzo, this is
anyone want
Bhagat
to-
here. Sorry, I joined late, so I was not sure if we had gone through pins as well in this meeting.
I didn't get your question, so.
Yeah, this is Bhagat from Google. I'm joined a little late, right? So I'm not sure if pins was discussed also in this meeting. I wanted to know if wanted to provide any updates if there are anything like that.
No, we have no question on the pins. So today we mainly focus on the. Okay, let me show. So today we mainly focus on the features after the yellow lines. So we just go through the status. We finished all the feature list, in the 2021-11 release. So the next step is we need the teams have to finish the code merge and then deliver the features indeed to the 2021-11 release. So we are still planning to fork the branch at early November. That's the current plan.
Understood. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, guys. So by the way, the Sonic community meeting, the meeting is open for any topic now. So if you guys want to share something in the Sonic community, you can send a mail to me. So I will have to schedule. Otherwise, we may need a repeated, feature. Discuss the code PR. If you guys have any hot issues, we may use that time for the very detailed tech discussion. That's the plan for the coming Sonic community meetings. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Oh, okay, Yan Zhao, next week we actually have a side challenger talk from the community, which talks about nail design and the way to beef up side test. That's the agenda for next week.
Oh yeah, you remind me. Thank you, Tim.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thanks, everyone.
Thank you, guys. Next time.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.